Are you looking for best inspection cameras? Inspection cameras or borescopes are indispensable tools for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're diagnosing engine issues, inspecting plumbing, or exploring hard-to-reach areas, these devices offer unparalleled visibility. In this article, we've rigorously tested 5 popular models across a range of price points, $30.99 to $119.99, to evaluate their performance, features, and value. Product 1. DepthStack Dual Lens Industrial Endoscope. The DepthStack Dual Lens Industrial Endoscope is a mid-range option that balances affordability and feature-rich performance. Its standout feature is the dual lens system, allowing users to switch between front and side views seamlessly. The 4.3-inch color TFT LCD screen delivers crisp 1080p visuals, and the 16.5-foot semi-rigid cable is both durable and flexible, making it suitable for a variety of applications. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures it can handle wet environments, and the built-in 32GB memory card is a thoughtful addition for storing images and videos. In testing, the DepthStack DS300 excelled in scenarios requiring clear visuals in tight spaces, such as plumbing and automotive inspections. The 7 adjustable LED lights provided excellent illumination in dark environments, while the second CMOS chip minimized lag during video capture. However, the focal range of 3 to 8 centimeters for the front camera and 2 to 6 centimeters for the side camera may feel limiting for users needing a broader focus range. Overall, it's a reliable choice for professionals and advanced DIYers. Product 2. Endoscope Camera with Light. The Kinthi Endoscope camera is the budget-friendly option in this lineup, offering basic functionality at an affordable price point of $30.99. It features a single-lens system with 1920p HD resolution and an IP67 waterproof rating, making it suitable for light-duty tasks. The 16.4-foot semi-rigid cable provides decent flexibility, and the 8 adjustable LED lights help illuminate dark spaces. Additionally, it connects easily to iOS and Android devices via a dedicated app, making it accessible for smartphone users. While the Kinthi camera is sufficient for occasional use, it lacks the advanced features found in higher-end models. The image quality is decent, but not exceptional, and the reliance on a smartphone for display can be inconvenient for some users. The semi-rigid cable, while functional, doesn't hold its shape as well as others in this comparison. Overall, it's a good entry-level option for basic inspections, but may not satisfy professionals or those needing frequent use. Product number 2. Two-way articulating borescope. The DXETO's two-way articulating borescope is a professional-grade tool designed for precision inspections. Its 210-degree articulating probe allows for unparalleled maneuverability in tight spaces, while the 4.3-inch IPS screen provides sharp, true color visuals. The 8.5mm camera delivers 1080p resolution, and the 8 LED lights with adjustable brightness ensure clear visibility in dark areas. The 5.5-foot semi-rigid cable balances flexibility and rigidity, making it ideal for automotive, aircraft, and industrial applications. During testing, the DXETO's borescope impressed with its ability to navigate complex environments, such as engine cylinders and HVAC systems. The articulating probe was particularly useful for inspecting areas that non-articulating cameras couldn't reach. However, at $97.23, it's on the pricier side, and its shorter cable length may not be sufficient for all use cases. This model is best suited for professionals who need precise control and high-quality visuals. Product number 4. Endoscope Camera with Light. The WinWind Endoscope camera offers a user-friendly experience with its 4.3-inch LCD screen and 1080p resolution. Priced at $32.29, it's another budget-friendly option with a 16.5-foot semi-rigid cable and IP67 waterproof rating. The 8 adjustable LED lights and 180-degree image rotation feature make it versatile for various applications, from household inspections to automotive diagnostics. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't require a smartphone for operation, which adds convenience. In practice, the WinWind camera performed well in basic inspection tasks, such as identifying blockages in pipes or inspecting wall cavities. However, the lack of photo and video capture capabilities limits its functionality for users who need to document their work. Additionally, its manual exposure control may require some adjustment in low-light conditions. Overall, it's a solid choice for occasional users who value simplicity and affordability. Product 5. Teslong Two-Way Articulating Borescope with Light. The Teslong Two-Way Articulating Borescope is the premium option in this comparison, priced at $119.99. Its standout feature is the 5-foot articulating probe, which offers exceptional maneuverability in tight and complex spaces. The 4.5-inch IPS LCD screen delivers vivid, high-resolution visuals, and the built-in LED lights provide adjustable illumination for dark environments. The ergonomic design, including a centrally located joystick, ensures comfortable one-handed operation. In testing, the Teslong Borescope excelled in automotive and industrial applications, where precision and image clarity are paramount. The articulating probe made it easy to inspect hidden areas, while the sturdy build quality instilled confidence in its durability. However, its higher price and shorter cable length may deter budget-conscious users or those needing extended reach. This model is ideal for professionals who demand top-tier performance and reliability.